In this video, you will see a police officer repeatedly ask the woman in the vehicle to turn off her dash cam and if she will allow him to search her car.
I'm recording. This is my dash cam.
Please turn that off.
With all due respect, sir, I'm allowed to record. It's my vehicle.
You are allowed to record in public spaces where there are no expectations of privacy. North Carolina is a one-party consent state. This means that if you're party to the interaction, you are allowed to record without the consent of the other party. Therefore, in this case, the dash cam is perfectly legal and she's within her legal right to continue to record the interaction between her and the police officer. In response to the police officer's request to search the vehicle, the lady in this scenario simply could state,
I'm not going to turn it off.
Do you mind if I search your vehicle?
I know what you're doing. I know exactly what you're doing. I know what you're doing.
rather than the back and forth between her and the cop. The law around searching the automobile is particularly complicated given to its easily movable nature. If you believe that your car has been searched improperly by the police, it is our advice that you seek out an attorney to determine if the search was proper or not. If you need help with this or anything else, reach out to us at 980-999-9999. In pain, call Shane.
In pain, so I call Shane. 980-999-9999. In pain, call Shane.